Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 2nd, 2023, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the NASDAQ 100 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's just jump right over here to the charts and see what we see this week. All right, on the NASDAQ on the quarterly chart, we're still green. We're still moving. We've broken that last quarter high. We have made yearly highs. The question is, can we make all-time highs by the end of December? And I am saying yes. We'll just have to wait and see, though. But this supply up here is going to be tough. One day last week, it kind of shook me up quite a bit. That's all I have to say about that. But let's move on to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, as we can see, we came down here to our 10, got the bounce that we was expecting, and now in this month of December, we're already starting off green and heading higher. We have to break November high. I guess that. Back in November, we did make yearly highs, but we're going to be fighting the supply over here to make all-time highs. We've got to see if that can actually happen. Let's take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, as we can see, this past week, which was end of November, 1st of December, and end of the month, 1st of the month type stuff, crazy stuff. It just remind me how crazy it can be around that time period and all. I used to have a trading strategy around that, and all that kind of, once I saw things happening, I kind of, whoa, it caught me. I had to sit on the sideline for a little while, then I jumped back in. That's how it does. That's how you do it. But as we can see, we have this high is actually a yearly high that we have made, and I'm looking to see if we can actually go higher. Based on these are monthly pivots. Based on these monthly pivots, can we reach an R3 level? That's what's going to make this tough. We are already at an R2 level, can we reach an R3 level, which is way up here? And that's still not quite enough to be all-time highs. So it's going to be a real stretch to make all-time highs looking at it this way on the NASDAQ. So now that I said, yes, we can make all-time, I'm almost about ready to take it back. Because going across an R3 level, it's going to have to be a crazy month, just like what we had when we was coming out this bottom back over here back in May. And the pivots were a little bit closer at that time, but the pivot that's wide is in the big moves that we've been having here lately, it's kind of hard to see the big moves that we have back here to give these monthly pivots here, it's going to be kind of hard to make it all the way up here and cross this, but anything can happen. Let's go down to the daily noise and see what we see there. The daily noise was getting kind of crazy. We had base back here, kind of rallied up, started basing here, had rallied up, and caught me at a top. This is crazy. Pull back down. I got back in it over here these other couple of days. Made a little bit of it back, but then make it all back. But as you can see, we're still kind of basing, on the weekly chart and on the daily chart. So the thing is, it's going to have to be a pretty big week to actually bust through these highs and go higher. So that 200, when we got up here, it really pushed down pretty hard. I was watching it that day. And that's all I really want to share. I do see us going higher, but as you can see, we are kind of basing right now. And this is a pretty long base so far. So that means that supply over there, they got to be working their way out of those trades and all, and see if we can go higher. But that's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.